Sa Anambra kwenu. Anambra mwonu. Anambra kachanu. Nigeria unu gebio. Before Gupta speech in wherever. As I made my appeal, today I went to watching a canopy. Because we're too well in the watching a canopy area. Mbatu haluna affair. Speech by the President of the Association of Anambra State Development Union, AASDU, Kenneth Ilo, on the occasion of Anambra Cultural Day. The Governor of Anambra State, our Grand Patron, Professor Charles Soludo, heavily represented, the President of Ohanese Ndibu Worldwide, Senator Azuta Mbata, the BOTs and Patrons Chairman, Samuel Iwuchubu, Akudo Nnewi, and all the BOTs and patrons here present. The chairman of this occasion, Ambassador Uchenna Ihenekwe Nwachimereze na Uga, Royal Father of the Day, the traditional rulers, my lords, both spiritual and temporal, the Thai Union Chairman, well-wishers, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great joy and honor to stand before you today as we celebrate this year's Cultural Day of the Association of Anambra State Development Unions, AASDU. It pleases me to inform you that today marks the 5th edition of this noble cultural day, which holds every 2 years. From inception, AASDU has stood as a unifying umbrella for all our town unions in Anambra State and beyond. Since its formation, the association has pursued one noble mission: to promote unity, preserve our cherished culture, and advance the development of our communities through collective actions. I am proud to say today that vision is alive and thriving. Under our watch, we have recorded significant progresses. Enrollment of new town unions. Our doors remain open, and many new town unions have joined the association in recent times. This steady growth strengthens our bond and makes our voice louder in promoting the interests of Anambra people. As it stands today, we can boast of 94 town unions as members of the association, and we encourage more towns to register. Sustainable meetings and cohesion. We have sustained regular meetings, ensuring that our platform remains active, vibrant, and impactful. These gatherings are not just formalities, they are opportunities to exchange ideas, resolve issues, and chart the way forward. We meet every last Sunday of the month at the Anambra House, popularly known as the Light Arena. The Light Arena project, our ongoing building project, known as the Light Arena, continues to move forward. Though challenges exist, we remain committed to completing this landmark, which will serve as a legacy for generations to come. Support and encouragement to town unions. AASDU has continued to encourage and motivate member unions to succeed in their individual and collective undertakings. Together we are fostering growth and unity across all towns. Dear friends, today's Cultural Day is more than a celebration of our dance, attire, and cuisine. It is a reminder of who we are, a resilient, united, and forward-looking people. Our culture is our identity, and we showcase it proudly. We must also renew our pledge to sustain peace, unity, and development in Anambra State. I call on all town unions, our leaders, and our youth to remain steadfast. Let us strengthen the ties that bind us, support the completion of the Light Arena, and continue to build an association that will be a pride to all in the Anambra. On behalf of the leadership of AASDU, I want to sincerely thank all our member unions, our patrons, our BOTs, and our partners who have stood with us. Together, we shall continue to rise, preserve our heritage, and advance the cause of development. To the participating towns, I appreciate you all for showing who we are. Your support in making today a huge success cannot be overemphasized. The dance, the masquerades, and your colorful canopies showcase our rich cultural heritage, and I thank you all. In conclusion, I pray that the Almighty God, who has brought us this far, will continue to bless our efforts. May He grant wisdom to our leaders, peace to our communities, and progress to all our towns. May the spirit of unity and love never depart from us all. And may AASDU continue to shine as a beacon of hope on the Anambra in Rivers State. Thank you, and God bless you all.